Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video will be unboxing one of our most popular watches from the collection, the Major. Right after that video, we'll show you how to style it and some cool lifestyle shots and the watch being shot on the wrist. So stay tuned guys and get ready. Okay, so before we break down the details of the watch, let's examine the box. The box is really sturdy, definitely structured very well. You see this big M with the MSTR under it. It is embossed, it feels really smooth. Another great detail that I love about the box is the magnet feature that it has. So once you open it, it does reveal the watch, but once you close it, it does snap in and it locks in. Opening the box, you see this black insert with gold foil MSTR, Los Angeles, California, established in 2009. And the insert matches the aesthetic of the box, so both textures are the same. It feels really good. Behind that is the instruction manual, how to set your Major. So there it is right there, as well as the certificate card as well. Okay, so now we're ready to break down the details of this watch. The first thing you notice about the Major is this beautiful rose gold shine to it on the case. It's absolutely stunning. It's got a multi-layer case on it as well. You can see the bezel kind of pops out. Even our signature hexagon bolts are polished as well. So the whole aesthetic just fits very well. It's very eye-catching. The case is made of 316 NASA grade stainless steel. And you can see this beautiful Meister engraved. It's got this is a really cool feature on the side of the watch, and you can see it so clear. So when you're wearing it, someone will be able to notice that right away. The other side, you can see the crown, and it does have the M engraved on it as well. Another small detail, but definitely ties into the aesthetic and the craftsmanship of Meister. Next, let's go over the face. So right away, you see the carbon fiber inside of it. That really helps the rose gold Roman numerals and the MSTR to just really pop out. It really stands out and it brings everything together very well. You know, black and rose gold is such a great combination, and adding that carbon fiber really helps it to pop out and stand out more. The movement for the Major is a Miyota 6P29 multifunction movement with day and date. Okay, so this Major in particular does come with our signature silicone rubber band, which creates a really good sporty feel. It's very light on the wrist, it's very comfortable. But the cool thing about our Major collection is there's other Majors that feature a leather band version as well. So, and no matter what Major you get, you can switch from a rubber to a leather, and it's this easy. So you just pull down this latch right here, it releases the silicone band, and then you can put a leather band on this watch, which would automatically create a luxury look and a feel. So it's really your decision, but we do have band options for the Major. Turning the watch over, you can see the Major logo that is engraved as well as the part number MJ102 PRB. It is engraved. You can see the 50 millimeter water resistant Japanese movement, and it does have the serial number as well as the MSTR engraved. So a lot of detail even on the back, guys. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up the details of the Major. Real quick, guys, if you're looking for a bigger watch, most people turn to our Ambassador, which is a 45 millimeter. This is bigger by 5 millimeters, so this is a 50 millimeter watch. It is bigger than the Ambassador. It's longer as well. So if you're looking for that bigger look, this is definitely the watch that you do want. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We truly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. We do check them daily, guys. Also, stay tuned for detailed shots of this watch on wrist, as well as some really cool lifestyles and video lifestyles of the watch being worn. You know, get an idea on how to style the watch, guys. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it.